issuing a general credit memo in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to reduce what a customer owes after an invoice has gone out. Select the customer, record the credit, and let it sync to QuickBooks. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales, Credit Memos from your dashboard. Use a credit memo whenever you need to reduce what a customer owes after an invoice has already gone out, a quality write-off, a pricing correction, a damaged shipment. Start by selecting the customer this credit is for. Add an optional memo describing why, set the date, and enter the credit amount. The reference number is auto-assigned on save in the CM year-month sequence, so your numbering stays clean without any manual tracking. Click Record Credit to finalize it. The customer credit memo is recorded and queued for QuickBooks Sync, and it reduces the customer's open balance immediately, showing up on their account history alongside the original invoice.